Hi, this is Venice with VictorySV.com, and in this video, I will be showing you how to download an app on an Android device. We will be utilizing the Play Store icon. It's important to know that if you don't see it on your screen, if you head to your apps, it's usually in alphabetical order. So by selecting Play Store, it will open up the app. From there, you can search all the different apps that you are looking to download. In this particular case, we're going to be downloading the Zoom application. So I'm going to go ahead and just type that into the search field and select my search option. From there, you'll see your items and the different possibilities. You'll also notice that it was directly on the top app that we are trying to utilize. So I'm going to go ahead and just select install, and then the app will begin to install on your phone. It will show you a progress bar of how the installation is coming along, and you will know when that device is officially installed. You notice that it doesn't take too long, and as soon as it's installed, you then will have the opportunity to select open. If you select open, the app is now available for use. Thank you for listening, and go ahead and subscribe.